Hello traders, FS Picolati here. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar yen, I still think this looks like a big 1, 2, 3. I think this is a 4. I think we're still going up, most likely for a wave 5. So I'm still expecting to see this continuing the uptrend. So heading down to the weekly, on the weekly time frame, I still think this looks more like a correction down like a wave 4, and this looks like a big trend for a wave 3. That means that this would be a 1, this means this would be a 2, and that we're actually in a wave 3 right now, which I still think is eventually going to go up and finish a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily, I do believe this is the end of a wave 1. I still think this is the end of a wave 2. I do see what looks like 5 waves right here, but I actually think it's not a 5th wave. I think this is just in a crescent, and I think it's still going to end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame is where you can see a little more clearly what I mean, because you can see clearly that this is a trend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 looks like an A. This move up is pretty impulsive, but it did make a lower high, and I do think it is a wave B. I think we're most likely going to go down to like the 38 or maybe even the 50% to make a wave C before we break structure to the upside and most likely end up continuing the uptrend. I think this is still all part of a wave 3 of wave 5 on the much longer time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can really see this downtrend, which I think is an A. This move up is definitely a trend also, which makes it look like it's not a wave B, but it definitely could be a motor wave B. I think this move down is also forming a trend, which is most likely going to go down to the 38% to make a wave C. So all that information definitely tells me that our best bet is to most likely continue to look for sorts in a downtrend, and most likely it's going to go down to at least the 38 or even the 50% to finish off what I think is going to be a wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.